Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into a luxury experience that doesn't just transport you from one place to another. It redefines the very meaning of travel. The 2026 Lexus LM VVIP is not just a luxury minivan. It's a $300,000 rolling palace designed for the ultra-elite who demand the comfort of a private jet on the road. But instead of talking engines, wheels, or tech specs, today we're stepping inside and experiencing it as if it were a luxury motorhome, focusing on the parts that make it feel like a five-star suite on wheels: the kitchen, the bedroom, and the bathroom. This isn't just transportation. This is a lifestyle, and Lexus has taken it to a level that few could have imagined. Let's start with the kitchen, because in the LM VVIP, the idea of having meals on the road is transformed into a fine dining affair. Lexus has cleverly integrated a compact yet high-end galley kitchen that doesn't just provide function, it exudes sophistication. Imagine polished surfaces finished in gloss wood trim, refrigeration compartments seamlessly hidden behind soft close panels, and a smart induction cooktop that allows for gourmet-level cooking while parked. There's even a concealed storage space for premium glassware, a wine cooler, and a coffee machine that prepares barista-level cappuccinos at the push of a button. This isn't a typical minivan kitchen. It's a mobile culinary hub designed for VIPs who refuse to compromise on their dining standards no matter where the road leads. And if that wasn't enough, Lexus takes the kitchen space to an even more luxurious tier with advanced automation. The drawers are sensor-based, opening with a gentle wave of your hand, while the built-in convection oven can be preset via voice command before you even step inside. The layout has been designed for both utility and elegance. Counter lighting adjusts in brightness to match the time of day, and the temperature-controlled compartments ensure your caviar, champagne, or fresh produce stays in perfect condition. With such attention to detail, this isn't just a kitchen. It's a fine dining lounge condensed into a motorhome-style masterpiece, proving Lexus understands that luxury doesn't stop at leather seats. It extends to every bite you take. Now, let's step into the bedroom area, where Lexus has truly reimagined what on-road relaxation means. Forget about simple reclining seats. The LM VVIP offers a private suite with fully flat sleeping surfaces that rival luxury hotel beds. Plush memory foam mattresses are layered with silk blend linens, and the cabin is designed to cocoon you in absolute silence thanks to Lexus's next-generation noise cancellation technology. The ceiling is lined with an ambient light panel that simulates a starry night sky, allowing you to drift into sleep no matter where your journey takes you. And because this is Lexus, the bedroom isn't just about sleep, it's about the full retreat experience. You can customize everything from the angle of the bed to the temperature of your microclimate zone. A hidden 32-inch OLED screen folds down for private entertainment, while built-in massaging functions ensure relaxation after a long day of business or travel. Every detail, from the hand-stitched leather to the fragrance-infused ventilation system, has been designed to give you the kind of rest you'd expect in a private jet's first-class suite. It's more than just a bedroom, it's your sanctuary on wheels. But perhaps the most jaw-dropping part of the LM VVIP experience is the bathroom. Because Lexus didn't just include a restroom, they designed a spa-like escape. Step inside, and you'll find heated marble flooring, touch-free faucets, and a smart vanity mirror with built-in lighting for grooming or makeup. The toilet system is fully automated with luxury bidet functions and self-cleaning technology, ensuring hygiene and comfort that surpasses even high-end hotels. This is not an add-on convenience. It's a full luxury feature set that makes long journeys seamless. And to elevate it even further, the bathroom includes a rainfall-style shower with adjustable water pressure and aromatherapy integration. Imagine freshening up in a shower that infuses lavender, eucalyptus, or sandalwood into the mist, all while soft LED lighting creates a serene spa ambiance. There's even a towel warming rack and dedicated storage for luxury toiletries, making this more than just a washroom. It's a rejuvenation zone. Lexus has taken the concept of a bathroom on wheels and turned it into an indulgent retreat, ensuring you step out refreshed, relaxed, and ready for anything. The 2026 Lexus LM VVIP proves that luxury doesn't have to end when the wheels start turning. With a kitchen that rivals private chefs, a bedroom that transforms into a first-class retreat, and a bathroom that feels like a five-star spa, this vehicle is nothing less than a private jet experience designed for the road. It's more than just transportation. It's a luxury motorhome styled for the elite who demand comfort, privacy, and ultimate exclusivity. If you enjoyed this inside look at the Lexus LM VVIP, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more reviews of the most jaw-dropping vehicles redefining travel today.